When you arrive where the runway meets the skyline, where every journey starts in style, there's a welcome waiting at the terminal from the very first mile. Step from the car like a hotel arrival, friendly faces call your name. Your bags are taken, doors are open. Travel will never feel the same. Through the VVIP departure terminal, everything flows with ease. Check-in smooth, your bags are tied, handled with expertise. Passport stamped with quiet precision, boarding pass already in hand. Every step designed for comfort, exactly as you planned. VVIP Fast Track, VVIP Fast Track. From the terminal to the runway, that's the way the travelers go. VVIP Fast Track, VVIP Fast Track. Smooth arrival, smooth departure, luxury in every flow. Private lounges, quiet comfort, your own space beyond the crowd. Chef preparing what you ordered, every detail calm and proud. Sunlight dancing on the windows, coffee waiting on the floor. Time slows down inside the lounge, like you've been there before. When it's time to start your boarding, a quiet escort shows the way. Through your private screening gateway, no delays along the way. Outside waiting by the terminal, your chauffeur by the car, driving you straight to the aircraft, ready for wherever you are. And when your journey brings you home again, a private welcome at the gate. To the VVIP arrival terminal, where comfort meets your fate. VVIP Fast Track, VVIP Fast Track. From arrival through departure, this is where the travelers go. VVIP Fast Track, VVIP Fast Track. From the runway to the lounge doors, let the whole